trees. I think I'll name him Phil. Kid, it's cheese baloney.
His name is Phil, you know.
Cheese baloney. Now get over it, kid.
I think I'll take him and put him in a cage so he can be my pet forever!
Stop, little girl. You want to die, you put me in a cage. You want to live, you take your skinny little butt and put it over in that pothole.
But I don't like potholes.
Don't make me beat you with a stick, 'cause I will.
You have a bushy tail.
Oh, you want that up your nose? That'll pick all your boogers for you.
But that's not very nice, Mr.
Let me get back to chewing myself.
That's not very nice, Mr. Squirrel.
Well, I tell you, kid, I will get down here. I will be your sister.